People rise. The world rise. This message is not good. This year 2025 is gonna take a lot of blood. The terrorists is going to attack again like never before. The terrorists will block the railway and hot the rail, the train, packed every damn persons inside bush. And majority of them are northerners. So it has something to do with northerners. This message is very bad. I am saying God revealed to me that the terrorists are making a new plan to attack railway, and they will stop the train and make away with the population of people in all the train coaches. And many will not survive. God, we beg you to save this country. We beg you to save this country. We beg you to save this country. After this operation, hear me, people of the world. The terrorists will make money. They will make money. They will collect from the ransom of the people they will kidnap from the train. They will make money they will use to buy ammunition they will use to attack this country. They want to take the power by themselves. This is what God is telling me. They will make very big money. This is their next plan. Government should stop this. You should not allow this to happen. Do everything you do to stop this attack. The money they will make, they will demand the ransom not individually. They will demand this ransom from the federal government. And when they get that money, the money is going to be used for big ammunition. They will come out boldly, and it's not going to be funny. May God have mercy. Please sit down.